In this video, I will show you how to remove ads on Instagram. Now let's say while you're scrolling down, you will be able to see some ad that was sponsored to Instagram. Now if you don't want to see this specific ad right here, all you have to do is to click on these three dots right here and then click on hide ad. Now you won't be able to see that ad anymore and it's been removed to your feed. But that doesn't mean that every ad like this one right here has been removed to your feed. Now, if you don't really want to see ads sponsored on Instagram, all you have to do is to tap on this upper leftmost corner right here, the Instagram logo, and tap on following. Now, when you scroll down here, only the post that you're following or the people that you follow on Instagram, the one that you will be able to see. There is no ad whatsoever in here. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.